Today let us start the activity 4. It is to see the effect of gravity on the objects of different masses. Here the materials required are a small stone, a feather or a ball of cotton. Now you are going to drop a small stone and a feather or a ball of cotton from the same height towards the ground. Which object reaches the ground first? It is definitely a stone because the gravity of the earth, that means earth's gravity, pull both the object towards its center. But I told you the gravitational force depend upon the mass. Whose mass is more? Stone mass is more. So that is weight. Whose weight is more? Stone's weight is more. So stone falls first, secondly feather falls. So what do you understand? Effect of gravity will be more on heavy weight body. That means stone has more mass. So there you can feel more gravitational pull than the light cotton ball or feather. Now let's move on to activity 5 to see the effect of electrostatic force. Here the materials required are a comb, bits of paper. I told you when you rub two objects, there exists electrostatic force because they attain different charges. Now here you are going to comb your hair. What will happen? It gets charged because of rubbing against the comb. Both the comb and hair get charged. That is what you feel, that your hair are pulled towards the comb. Now after combing, you bring the comb near the bits of papers. What do you observe? The papers are being attracted by the comb. It's all because when you rub two objects together, what will happen? These two objects are electrically charged. Due to the formation of different charges, they attract each other. Such type of force is called electrostatic force, which is non-contact force. We will see one more activity. Take the balloon, inflated balloon, that means you are blowing, filling the balloon with the air. What will happen? Tie the balloon, then rub this balloon, air-filled balloon, against your hair, which senses that you are rubbing the inflated balloon on your head. Then immediately place the balloon against the wall. What do you observe? The balloon will be stick to the wall because of electrostatic force. While rubbing the balloon against the hair, that is means head, what happened? They gets electrically charged. Both attain different charges. That is what, due to this charge, it is stick to the wall. Next comes magnetic force. You know what is magnet? It may be U-shape or horse shape, what different shapes are there. It attracts iron nails, pins, keys and steel, nickel, cobalt metals. The magnet north poles of two magnets repel each other, and unlike poles, north and south poles of two different magnets attract each other. This is all because of magnetic force. Here is an activity 6 to see the effect of magnet. Here the materials required are iron nails, pins, piece of paper, piece of wood, chalk and a piece of magnet. Now you are going to place all this material on a table. Now you are going to bring the magnet and rub the magnet over these materials. What do you observe? You can observe the magnetic materials like piece of iron nail, pins and the piece of magnet. They will be getting attracted towards the magnet because of magnetic force. The magnet was discovered in Magnesia. This is a place named Magnesia. So magnet is named after this place named Magnesia. There will be electric and magnetic field around the electron carrying conductor, that is wire. In the same manner, we can see magnetic field around the magnet. Earth also has magnetic field. And our earth is surrounded by magnetic lines of force. By using magnetic compass, we can see the magnetic field of our earth. Next comes nuclear force. This force can be found at the center of an atom. That means center of atom is called nucleus. Inside the nucleus there are two particles, proton and neutron. Force of attraction which are developed between these proton and neutron particles which are present at the center of the nucleus are called nuclear force, which is called non-contact force. protons and neutrons are strongly hold one another, strongly attracted one another by using nuclear force, which senses that by using nuclear force, these particles are binded together. This is the image of spring balance, which is used to measure the weight of the body. It has hook, that means curve-like structure hook at the base, in which the object to be weighed is attached. The weight of the object is measured with the help of pointer on the scale. The electrostatic force is used to remove solid pollutant particles like carbon and ash from the smoke. Like gravitational force, there are many natural forces are existing in this world. That is force by wind, force by running water. From this force of this wind and running water, electricity is being prepared.